What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Rocky from Paw Patrol. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of the page with a curve for the top edge of the muzzle. We're going to start over on the left side. Let's bend this up in the middle, go across, and then back down towards the right. Now I'm going to place the nose along the top. From the side, bend this down and then in towards the center, go out and then up towards the right. Now I want to fill the inside of the nose in black. Let's move down and draw a curve for the mouth, starting on the left, and this down, and then up. And then on the ends, we're going to curve this up and then out, and then add a bracket on the ends. Let's go back to the center tip of the nose, draw a straight line coming down towards the mouth. Now let's go back up to the top of the muzzle and draw two large circles for the eyes. We're going to start on the edge of the muzzle on the left, go all the way around, and down, and then in. Let's line this up on the right side and do the same thing. Now I'm going to push the iris and pupil towards the inside. So on the left, draw a smaller circle, going all the way around, and then in towards the bottom. Do the same thing on the right. Now I'm going to draw a smaller circle along the inside for the pupil. And a small highlight circle along the top. And we'll fill the bottom of the pupils in black. Let's move up and draw in the eyebrows. Bend this up and in. Line this up on the right, going out and then down. Flatten off the inside. Taper that out and then down towards the end. Let's fill the inside of the eyebrows. Now just up above the eyebrows, we're going to add a curve for the hat. Starting on the left, then this up, go across, and then down towards the right. Let's round up the edge of the hat, coming in. Going back to the left side, we go up a little bit higher in the middle, go across, and then back down towards the right. Now along the side of the hat brim, we're going to add a point of hair. Come down and then up. Then this down and then in towards the side of the head. I just want to round this out, go out and then down. Let's add a point, going up and in. Let's add another curve, going around and down. Add that point. I'm going to add one smaller point, coming down and in, and back up towards the jaw. Let's curve the jaw, coming down and in towards the side of the chin. Let's close off the chin with another curve, coming down and then back up. Now let's go back up to the top and finish off the hat. From the edge of the hat brim, we're going to step in, then the hat going up and in. And then we'll round out the top, going up in the middle, and then back down. Let's add that badge in the center of the hat. Start with a straight line going across the top, round out the top corners, bend this down, and then in toward the center on top of the hat brim. Now I want to trace this along the inside. Let's add that paw symbol with a small circle in the center along the top, two circles along the side, and then a large oval along the bottom. Now on the side of the head, we're going to add in the ears. Let's start with the one on the left. We're just going to bend this down. Let's start from the side of the hat, bend this up and then out, bend this out and then down. Now I just want to taper this back in and down to the side of the hat. Just underneath that point, let's curve this in, come down, and then bend that in towards the side of the head. Let's trace this curve on the inside. And I'll move over and straighten out the right ear. So I'll have the top going up and then out. And it'll come down the side about halfway. And we'll add a notch coming in and out. Continue that curve coming in towards the side of the head. Let's trace the ear along the inside. Now we want to add that patch around the right eye. We'll start from the inside, going all the way around above the eyebrow. Just want to round this out, come down the side, and then pull that in across the bottom. Now just underneath the chin, let's add the edge of the neck. And come down and then up like a half circle. Along the side, let's angle the collar, coming down and out. Now we can draw that same curve, coming down and up. Let's add two lines coming down the middle. And we'll add that same symbol. We're going to start by curving the top. Round out the corners. Bend that down and then in towards the middle. Let's trace this along the inside. Now from the tag, we're going to step out. It's going to bend the front legs coming in and then down towards the bottom of the feet. And then we'll round out the bottom of the feet, going down and up toward the left and the right side. On the left side, we round out the top of the foot, we go up. I want to bend that down, aiming towards the inside. I want to leave a gap along the inside of the leg. And we'll go back up to the bottom corner of the collar, bend the leg going out, and then down on top of the feet. From the inside leg along the top, let's curl the sleeve going up and then down towards the outside. Let's separate the paws with two curves. On the outside, step in, draw that again. And then in between along the bottom, draw a straight line going across, step up, and draw two more lines. And then in the center along the top, add two lines coming down the side of the zipper. Let's draw the hind feet along the side, starting on the left, then it's up, and then down. And then round out the bottom of the foot coming in towards the side. Let's separate the paw with one curve along the bottom. Let's draw the top edge of the hind leg, going out, and then bending that in on top of the feet. And we'll add the backpack along the top, going out and then down. And just line that up on the right side. Let's design our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw Rocky from Paw Patrol. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single week. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.